everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Uman Agarwal. Today we are going to build something really cool in Scratch. A real working wall clock with a second hand, minute hand, and hour hand that shows the current time. You will see how Scratch can turn simple blocks into a ticking clock that updates every second just like a real one. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your very own animated clock running live inside Scratch. So let's get started. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let's TikTok our way into Scratch. Okay, we are on screen. Now just delete this cat sprite. I'm gonna upload a sprite. I want this wall clock. If you want this same sprite, the link is in the description and go and take the sprite. I will just go to its costume. It's little small. I'll do bigger in the middle. Little more bigger. This much is okay. And then go to the codes. We will paint our hands like second hand, minute hand, and hour hand. Fill 0. I want to draw a line. Outline 1. Okay. And then make the line. I have to make it a little smaller. I can make it by this. Okay. I can increase the thickness so that it could be visible. More smaller I have to do. I think this much is great. I'll go to the wall clock, my wall clock. I need to make a little bit circle, like a black circle. Okay, it's in the center point. Now 2 more sprites. There is outline, no color refill. This line. I am drawing the minute hand. Minute hand is 8. Okay. Now I am drawing it a little big it is. Yes, it's okay. This in the center. And this is also made. Now one more. The thickness is 10. And the color is blue. Think which one it is. Is our hand. Yes, you are correct. Okay, take this and keep it over here. Yes, this much is okay. And all sprites done. This is second hand. This minute hand. This is our hand. Our hand. Okay, sprites ready and names also ready. Now let's go on the coding of clock first. First we will start with when flag clicked always. When flag clicked, control forever loop. Looks. Scroll down and take go to back layer and then go to motion and take go to X 0 Y 0. And our wall clock's coding is done. This much coding was of wall clock. Okay, now we'll do the coding of second hand. Go to events and take when flag clicked. Control forever loop. Go to motion and take point in direction. Operators. Multiply by sensing. Scroll down and take current second. Multiply by 6. And now control and wait 1 second. second hand coding is also done. Now let me make you understand how I did it. We all know the second hand of a clock moves one small step every second. And we all also know a circle covers 360 degrees angle. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So each second makes the hand move 360 degree angle divided by 60 steps, you can also call it 60 seconds, is equal to 6 degrees. That is why I have put the code pointing direction current second multiplied by 6. Now let's go to Scratch again. Now I'll show you the demo of the second hand. Oh, it's moving. Okay, now let's move to the minute hand. The minute hand's coding. Go to Events. Take when flag clicked. Looks. Scroll down and go to back layer. After go to back layer, motion, pointing direction, operators, multiply by over here 6, and then go to sensing, take this current and current minute. Okay, now go to control and take forever loop. Go to motion and take turn clockwise 15 degrees. Now go to operators and take this divided. Put here 6 and over here 60. Go to control and take wait 1 second. Now I will make you understand why I did this coding for minute hand. Here is about minute hand. We know that the minute hand moves one step every minute. And we also know that a full circle is equal to 360 degree angle. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So each minute is worth 360 degrees divided by 60 minutes is equal to 6 degrees. That is why I have put in the code point in direction current minute multiply by 6. Let's go to Scratch again. Now go to hour hand and I can do a short trick. Instead of making the whole code, it's the same code like this. So just take this and drag it to the hour hand. And just minute, keep it over here. And this is over here, look. So there is a little bit changes. In the current minute, you have to put current hour and multiply by 30. Okay? And over here, turn clockwise 30 divided by 60 degrees. And wait 60 seconds. Now I will make you understand of our hand and then we can choose a backdrop. We know that a clock has 12 hours on it, and we also know that a circle is equal to 360 degrees angle. And if we divide 360 degree by 12 hours, each hour is 30 degrees. And if 60 minutes is equal to 30 degree, then what? Then 1 minute is equal to 30 divided by 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 degree. So, it will be move 0.5 degree in every minute. That is why I have put in the code point in direction Current hour multiply by 30. Wait for 60 seconds. Okay, let's go to scratch. Now our game is ready. We will add a backdrop. I'll take the circles. Go to sensing. The second hand. So current second. And show. Oh look, it's showing the seconds. Minute, current minute, and show. Current minute is over here. And current hour show. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and start. Look. Seconds 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, look. The minute hand is moving a little bit, right? It's now 3 o'clock. I hope you like and understand this video. If you please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And I have also got many more videos on the way. Don't forget that.